Is Zorvyn FinTech a total scam, or could it actually be legit? If you're on the hunt for internships or remote jobs, listen up, because this could save you from losing money, or worse, your personal data. So, here's what's happening. Zorvyn FinTech is everywhere right now, offering super attractive internships, especially to students and new grads. But, cybersecurity experts, ex-applicants, and tons of Glassdoor reviews are waving red flags all over the place. First, they ask for upfront payments, usually for software kits or training materials. They claim you'll get reimbursed, but no one ever does. That's scammer move number one. Second, the hiring process is fishy. You might get an offer almost instantly, sometimes right after a simple online quiz. No interviews, no real HR. That's not how legit companies hire. Third, let's talk about their credentials. There's no valid corporate identification number or GST registration in India. Even their leadership profiles seem AI-generated or totally fake. And the pay? If you see an offer of Rs $45,000 a month for a remote internship from a no-name company, trust me, that's way above the market rate. Sounds too good to be true because it is. Another red flag, domain mismatch. They email you from one domain, like a .org, but ask you to upload your documents to a sketchy, unsecured .co site. That's a textbook phishing trick. So here's what I recommend. Do not pay any onboarding or kit fees. Don't send your Aadhaar, PAN, or bank details. If you spot their listings, report them on LinkedIn, Indeed, or Internshala. And if you've already shared sensitive info, file a complaint with the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal right away. Stay sharp out there. The best way to land your dream job is by keeping your guard up and your wallet clean.